Let's start. A equal to -4, A6 is equal to 6. Find A2, A3, A4, A5. Very simple. We have to know the nth term an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the nth term. ఇందులో కంపారిజన్ చేస్తే ఏ ఇక్కడ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ a1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు a, దట్ ఈస్ -4. సో నౌ a6 హౌ మచ్? a6ని ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు ఈ టర్మ్ వైజ్గా? a6ని a6 ఈక్వల్ టు a ప్లస్ n minus 6 minus 1 into d. a6 how much is 6, a how much? -4 plus 5d. 4 transpose చేస్తే 10 equal to 5d. d equal to 10/5. d equal to 2. d equal to 2. now a2 equal to a plus d, that is a is how much? -4 plus 2, that is -2. a2 is a3 equal to a plus 2d. a plus 2d. a is -4, 2 into 2, -4 plus 4, that is 0. a3. a4 equal to a plus 3d. a -4 plus 3 into 2, -4 plus 6, that is plus 2. a4. a5 equal to a plus 4d. a -4 plus 4 into d is the 2, -4 plus 8, that is plus 4.